Okay, so in this video we are going to look at mixtures. So the question reads, all of the following are examples of mixtures except, okay, so we have table sugar, air, seawater, and a 1 kwacha coin. Okay, so which one here is not a mixture? Okay, so we'll start with the table sugar there. So is table sugar a mixture or not? Okay, so table sugar only contains sugar itself. Okay, so this one here is not a mixture. Okay, so not a mixture. And then what about air? Okay, so air is a mixture of gases. So we have oxygen there, we have carbon dioxide in air, we have nitrogen gas. Okay, so air is a mixture of gases. What about seawater? Okay, seawater is also a mixture because in seawater you find salt, okay, and then you find the water itself. So it contains more than 2 different things. Okay, so that seawater there is a mixture. Okay, what about a 1 kwacha coin? Okay, so a 1 kwacha coin is also a mixture. Okay, why? Because they use different metals to make that 1 kwacha coin. Okay, so there might be silver there, but there will be some coating of some kind that they will put there. Okay, so maybe the silver there metal plus another metal for coating. Okay, so this 1 kwacha coin there is also a mixture. Okay, so a mixture is just a combination of 2 substances. Okay, so you have 2 substances that are combining to form 1 substance. Okay, so we see that A is the only one which is not a mixture, because table sugar, that is purely sugar. Okay, air is a mixture, seawater is a mixture, a 1 kwacha coin is a mixture. Okay, so that's all for this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. For those who need extra lessons, please feel free to contact me. Okay, feel free to contact me on 0777464065. Okay, so you can contact me on this number.